Hello everyone, welcome to another SQL Server tutorial. Today I will show you data types which you can use in SQL Server. In SQL Server, each column, local variable, expression, and parameter has a related data type. A data type is an attribute that specifies the type of data that the object can hold. Integer data, character data, monetary data, date and time data, binary strings, and so on. As we can see on the page, there is many data type. Data types in SQL Server are organized into the following categories: exact numerics, Unicode character strings, approximate numerics, binary strings, date and time, character strings, and other data types. Most used are int, a 4-byte signed integer; decimal, a fixed precision decimal number, up to 38 digits; float, approximate number data types for use with floating point numeric data; char, a fixed length string, up to 8,000 characters; VARCHAR, a variable length string, up to 8,000 characters; text, a variable length string; date, a date value; time, a time value; datetime, a date and time value; bit, a Boolean value, 0 or 1; money, a monetary value, up to 19 digits; binary, a fixed length binary value, up to 8,000 bytes. For example, I created a new table. First column is ID, integer. Next two columns are strings, so I used varchar data type. In brackets there is a number indicating the maximum number of characters that can be entered. Next is date of birth, which is represented by date data type. Default date format in SQL Server is year, month and day. For year we use 4 digits, for month 2 digits, and for day also 2 digits. Last column is salary and at a monetary value. That's it. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.